You know it. It is your Wednesday, spell with an I, WINDSDY, stock review. Let's go all into what's going on this fantastically splendid, profitable day. Hey traders from around the world, welcome to your Wednesday real life stock review. Certainly Wednesday spelled with an I today because the markets are still doing pretty strong bullish things, at least as of right now. You did have a bullish gap and go this morning, and one of the things that really helped us be bullish today was our moving average strategy that we were using for the month of April. Kept us bullish, gorgeous trend, nice continuation, and let's just keep playing it as it comes out. Right now, as far as what I'm looking at, just seems pretty bullish. Keep in mind the markets are closed on Friday because of Good Friday, and tomorrow will be the last day of the week for our trading. If we're looking at the SPY again, just kind of keep in mind, does seem like a little bit of a double bottom. It just makes tons of sense to me that we can go a little bit higher tomorrow or the next 2 or 3 days. We had a great, exceptionally, exceedingly bullish gap and go on Monday. So right now we're just playing the overall trend direction. The big win of the day was Square. We had a lot of traders just absolutely mangle this one. So ticker symbol SQ. Really easy trade, ironically enough. It was a gap and go. We've been watching Square, AMD, Baba, Tesla, and Roku every single day. You had a very nice upper shadow here on the 5-minute chart. Inside candle, bearish candle, another inside candle. So boom, we take the breakout, stop loss right there, and look at that baby, Rampage Jackson. Nice little trade. So again, a lot of traders are actually totally done on the day well before 11 a.m. Central, which is really quite stupendous. Boeing, ticker symbol BA, slowly continuing to do its thing. We're going to see what it does over the next 2 or 3 days. But again, I'm watching a lot of the airlines tomorrow very closely to continue higher. Same thing with Delta. Delta pretty much going to end today with a little bit of a inside candle doji. If Delta gaps up tomorrow, I'm going to be playing it relatively bullish. Keyword if, right? Maybe it doesn't, maybe it does. I don't know. Here's American Airlines, and American Airlines, keep an eye on this one. This one just seems to me like they have plenty of room to go higher on the airlines. Spirit Airlines, we're in on a bullish swing trade, ticker symbol SAVE, seeing if that one can continue a little bit higher. Las Vegas Sands, we got so close to an absolute gargantuanly gorgeous trade on Las Vegas Sands. Barely missed the limit getting filled on this one just by really a few pennies, and would have hit a target today. Keep an eye out for Las Vegas Sands with this close and this gap and go. To me, it looks really strong. So, yeah, be bullish on Las Vegas Sands. Win. Looks like Win's going to get a really good close. Again, plenty of room for both Win and Las Vegas Sands, in my personal opinion, to go a little bit higher, at least as of right now. Or at least that's just what it seems like. We'll see how it closes. All right, we still have 35 minutes before the market closes, but overall, things are hanging out pretty okay. Did have a bearish swing trade on RingCentral, RNG, mostly because you have a potential double top with a massive Marubozu candle right here. We'll find out if it breaks down. It probably won't with as bullish as the market is, but I guess you never know. Zoom doing its thing right now, kind of hanging around the 50 EMA. If you're looking at playing Zoom, personally, I just wanted to pull back a little bit more. I like Zoom if I'm going to go long on a swing trade somewhere around the $100 to $98 mark. I think it could make it back down there, although it doesn't have to. That's just where I would kind of prefer to look into getting into some shares on Zoom. Beyond Meat, BYND, hanging out. Looks like it's coiling and some pressure is building on Beyond Meat. So overall, looks pretty nice there. Here's Wix, WIX. Wix looking strong. Nice gap on Monday along with everything else in the market. We're just kind of continuing higher. And then I did have a request for Box. What's in the box? BOX, Box, trading up and hitting its long-term averages, both the 100 and 200 from the bottom. Here's the weekly chart. And what's beautiful about BOX is it traded down to a previous support zone. This is the 2016 support zone, traded right down to that $8.76 price range, and then bloop, started bouncing off that particular price. You've had a lot of bullish candles in a row on Box. So my thought is probably some kind of pullback into here, into 12.5 and some change, and that would be relatively viable in my opinion. Probably not going to be buying it right here. Although if it does break out higher and continue, then again, I'm just be looking at buying the dip. Most of the move has already come in once it took out the high of this really nice candle back on the 18th of March. So Yeah, Box and CrowdStrike, CRWD posting a lot of strength. I'm waiting for CrowdStrike to kind of do the same thing. It's been really, really strong. Just waiting for some pullbacks on some of these names just to find out if we can get an opportunity to buy the dip, aka buy the salsa. But again, it looks like as of Monday, that was the big move. That was the big gap. This is the weekly chart, and we are surging McSurgetown right now on the SPY, getting a strong, strong bounce. Looks like that 100 simple on the monthly chart definitely acted as the support level on the SPY, and we are bouncing off of that. Donkey Kong strong, up well over 23% in the last 2 or 3 weeks. So at this point, again, looks like we're going to be going a little bit higher. Buy the dip. Trend is strong, at least short term. I'm going to be remaining shorter term bullish for the next 2 or 3 days or weeks, and then we'll just see what happens. Day trading right now going phenomenal. Couldn't be better. The trading room is growing. RLT is growing. Just so excited, so happy, so pumped up. Man, excited to see what's going to happen. Folks, you're amazing. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this was a helpful review, and then I will see you next week because the markets are closed on Friday. So I'll be back Monday. Go ahead and post your comments below on this YouTube channel. Let me know what you want me to look at and review on the next Monday stock review, and I will do just that. You rock, and until next time, love life, and trade. Bye. All right, simply put, that was your Wednesday stock review. Thanks for watching. You are a wonderful person.